Good day all, welcome back to a sunny South Africa. So the 27th of March 2025, the Constitutional Court in South Africa, which is the highest court in South Africa, ruled that the song Kill the Boer, Kill the Farmer falls within the Constitution of South Africa. In other words, the highest court of South Africa reckons that singing a song about killing white people, and specifically Boer people in South Africa, is justified. And according to them, it doesn't, it is not hate speech, according to them. According to them, it's supposedly a struggle song. But, I mean, anybody who speaks English, anybody who understands English can understand that the words kill the Boer, kill the farmer means exactly what it means. And the reality with that is that when they're singing this song, they are making gun noises with that as well. So it's very clear that the South African court system is in favor of singing kill the farmer, kill the Boer. So the EFF that represented this song or tried to defend this song, they actually won this case. So they were bold on X, stating that they won against the white racist. You can't believe this. If the world doesn't put sanctions against these individuals, then I do not know what justice is. The irony of this is that when apartheid happened, the world was screaming and crying about it. Now the reverse is happening, even worse, because white people never sang songs about killing black people. Where's the outcry now? Where's the outcry for my people? Where's the outcry for white South Africans?